The sound effects in Portal 2 are a captivating blend of science fiction and creativity that enhance the gaming experience. The team at Valve Corporation utilized a variety of techniques to create the iconic sound effects heard throughout Portal 2. One of the key methods involved recording everyday objects being manipulated in unexpected ways to produce otherworldly sounds for the game. This innovative approach allowed the sound designers to transform mundane sounds into the futuristic and immersive audio landscape of Portal 2.